I'm Lilian, I'm in my third year of study and I study in medical sciences. I did like high school and the people I was around, but I was really looking forward to uni. I really wanted to find the people that like the same things I do, study what I really wanted and just have that freedom and the things that I wanted, and I felt like uni was going to give me that. So high school was nice, but I was really excited for uni. It was so exciting just because it felt like there was a lot less stress with getting into the degree that I wanted, and I actually just felt like more hope in doing what I wanted to do, and it was an actual possibility now. It's been a really positive experience, and I feel like I've been able to have that fun but also be prepared for the real world when I get out there. Definitely the independence and being the one to decide when I do my work that it needs to get done, but also just the freedom that I have that comes with that and being able to do whatever I want sort of when I want. I think the biggest challenge is keeping up with the workload, especially when getting to exams and making sure I'm not falling behind. I definitely feel like that does get challenging throughout the term. But the most rewarding part is being able to put myself out there and meet a bunch of people who love the things that I do, participate in all the opportunities that we have and the societies and all of that. It's been probably my favourite part actually. Damn. I've been asking myself that recently. Basically, I thought I wanted to do research and now I'm like, I don't want to do research. So I don't actually know. For my career aspirations, I am not entirely sure exactly what I want to do, but I know that I want something in the area of pharmacology or molecular biology because those are my majors and I absolutely love it. But I am still so excited for what the future holds, and I know it's going to be something amazing, I just don't know what it is exactly. I think a piece of advice I have for future GAP students is to just definitely believe in yourself and what you're capable of for the future and for uni.